I slept in till 8:15, which I have not done, and I don't even remember how long because I've just been getting up at like 6:30 for the past week, and so it felt really good to sleep in today. I got my sleep score and it was in the 90s, so that's how you know it's going to be a good day. But I wanted to do a Sunday reset. I kind of mentioned this in last week's video that life has just been really crazy lately, and so it's been like a constant go, 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 go. And today I have no plans. I do have a to-do list, but I'm feeling like we can take it chill, nice and slow, mark things off our to-do list, and really regroup before another very crazy week. We're working a Ravens game on Monday night. We have a meet on Saturday. We have a banquet on Saturday. We have our first exam as a senior on Thursday. So it's a very busy week. We have media day in there. So there's a lot of things that are happening this week. And so I just want to make sure that I'm staying ahead of everything, whether that's schoolwork, laundry, grocery shopping, all the fun things that you would normally do on a Sunday reset. So I thought it'd be fun to do it together. So we're going to start off by doing some laundry. And we're going to start by washing my sheets because I desperately need to do that because I haven't done it in a little too long. I think we're going into week 5 of classes, so it's been 5 weeks since I washed my sheets and I really want to do that. So let's start by doing some laundry and drinking our lovely matcha, which I made this morning, as you saw, and I added a cold foam. There is just something about a matcha with a cold foam that is just so good, and I love it, and it's so easy to make. So we'll be sipping on this while we do some laundry. Our laundry is currently in the wash, and we have about an hour and a half of doing laundry. So it's like 30-40 minutes in the wash and then an hour in the dryer. And so I thought I could use this time to try and clean as much as I can, just because I try and vacuum every week. So like that's nothing new, but like wiping down the surfaces, wiping down the mirrors, it just makes me feel like my space is like clean and tidy, and then I can get to work. So I thought we could take this time to do that. Do I think it's going to take me the whole hour and a half? I hope not. I hope not. But we're going to try and deep clean as much as we can because this is like prime time to do that. So let's wipe down our surfaces, clean our mirrors and our window, and vacuum. Our vacuum is currently charging though because she was dead. So that was humbling, but we'll wipe down the surfaces first. My room is feeling nice, clean, and refreshed. We just have some laundry drying over there just because I didn't feel like paying for 2 dryers. So not everything dried, but That's okay. I'm headed to the store, so hopefully when I get back, these will be dry and I can put them up, and then my room will look very nice and neat. But we're gonna head to the store just because I need to pick up some groceries for the week and just make sure that I have everything, because this week is super jam-packed with things to do and I'm not gonna have time to go in the middle of the week, so I wanna get it done today. So let's head to the grocery store. Are back in the apartment after going grocery shopping. We put all the groceries away and we currently have the game on because it is Sunday, which means football. So the game is on my laptop and I am ready to start doing my nails. We have media day on Friday, and so I definitely want to have some cute nails. I haven't painted them in like a week or so, just so I wanted them to breathe a little, and they were getting kind of thin, so I wanted to make sure that they were getting as healthy as possible before I painted them again. And so that is what I'm going to do. So we have some tea. We're probably gonna make lunch. We'll make lunch soon, probably after I finish my nails, and that'll get me started going into schoolwork. So that is kind of the plan. So let's do my nails. And we currently have one hand done, so this is what she's looking like. I did get a little too close to the cuticle, but it's just a little boo-boo. But I love the bubble bath color. I think that's gonna look so good for media day, and love how they turned out. But I think I'm going to take a break before I start doing my other hand by making some lunch, and I'm craving some mac and cheese and peas because I'm a kid at heart. So let's go make some lunch. We are waiting for our pasta to cook, and so while we're waiting, I think I'm gonna put up the rest of the clothes that are on the drying rack because I feel pretty dry, and we will continue to watch an amazing football game because the Vikings are winning. The score is 3-34. Woohoo! Have our mac and cheese, we have the game going. I'm gonna snack on this and then get back to doing my other hand because one hand is done, one hand is not. They honestly look like the same, but it's okay. I like the little polish. It's like very subtle and I like that. So we're gonna enjoy our mac and cheese and some football. The game is officially over and we won, so that is a great way to start our week off with a Vikings win. But I have some schoolwork I want to get done, so now that the game is over, that is what I'm going to do. So enjoy this time lapse of me getting all my schoolwork done. So I'm in the middle of doing some schoolwork, but my stomach started to growl, so I think it's time to get some dinner. I'm feeling pasta, so I think we're gonna make some pasta for dinner and just like take a quick break from looking at my computer screen and move to the kitchen to make some dinner and then come back and continue on with some schoolwork for the night. Okay, we have my dinner. I'm still gonna work on some schoolwork that I have and get ready for the week. So I'm going to end the video here. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and if you made it to this point in the video, just know I really appreciate it, and you should comment the pink heart emoji so I know you made it all the way to the end. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.